Day in the life of a software sales account executive. Alex, what's your mentality going into today?
More. We just want more. That's all we want. It's more.
We want more pipeline. We want more action. Although my title is sales, I like to think of myself as my own business. Hitting quota starts and ends with me. There is nobody else to blame. Let's go. Push. Easy. We're in. First one's in, last one's to leave. I start my day between 7:45 and 8. As you can see, it's about 7:50 a.m. right now. We just arrived to the office. Reminder, write down my goals. I'm gonna start by writing down my goals before I even open up my computer. I'm gonna clean up my inbox, send out some emails. I'm gonna start with prospecting. That's what I do. I stand up, as you can see, until I mine 5 net new prospects. I have an implementation call at 8 a.m. to start the day, so it's gonna throw a little bit of a wrench in that plan. Fantastic. Well, thanks for coordinating and looping on multiple of your team members. For those of you who I have not met, my name's Trent Dressel. I'm your main point of contact here at Qualtrics, and I've worked with both Rebecca, Jeff, and some other team members throughout the process. Most of my morning has been spent on implementation calls, dealing with customer problems, and firing back emails. Finally, we have a few moments of solace to make some cold calls. We got the headset ready to go. If you cold call in your job today, leave a like on the video now. Donna just ran her very first demo live with the client. How did it go?
Great, fantastic.
She's also a former influencer. Can you give us more than that?
Honestly, practice makes perfect. Don't give up.
Can you describe to the people my work ethic?
Trent is so inspirational. He is so driven, so disciplined.
She's clearly serious.
He's not paying me to do this, I promise.
We got a slacker alert.
I'm not getting paid.
This is day in the life. This is the day in the life of an account executive. The profs don't get paid.
Look at what videos I'm in, what the view count is, and I want compensation.
Do you guys think he should get a royalty? Let me know in the comments below. Speaking of cold calling, in my role as an account executive, I still prospect as if I was a sales development representative. I feel that with each promotion comes more responsibility to hold myself accountable for prospecting hard and making cold calls. Self-set pipeline never goes out of style. It's the end of a long day for me here right now at the office, 5:55 p.m. We are still grinding late. I just recently got off an all hands meeting with all the other account executives and sales reps in the South region at my company. One of my takeaways, one of the underlying messages of the meeting was focus on your goals, not your obstacles. And I think that really served me well in 2021, closing $975,000 in revenue throughout the entire year. It was over 300% of my number. I promoted twice, and I'm gonna get a really large paycheck here in about a month. And I think this is something that really separates me, is goal setting and focusing on the future, focusing what I'm focused on. You guys see in these videos, I show up every day, I wake up early, and I have a very disciplined morning routine. The reason I have that is when you wake up and you have discipline, you're gonna have discipline throughout the rest of the day. You're gonna have more energy throughout the day. If you wake up and first thing you do is look at your phone, first thing you do is start texting, you are reactive instead of proactive. And early in the mornings, before I even start my days, I write down my goals because I focus on my targets, not on the obstacles. And I think that this is something that we need to go deeper in, because this is a day in the life video, and in order for you to have your dream day in the life, it starts with having targets. And think about this right now. Ask yourself, when is the last time you wrote down your goals, and do you even know what you want? I write down my goals every morning and every night before I go to bed. That's why I have the reminder in my phone, write down my goals. Who do you think is more likely to achieve their goals? Someone who writes down their goals once at the beginning of the year, New Year's resolutions, or someone who writes down their goals over 700 times a year, twice a day times 350-ish, 700 times a year. And that really helps keep you on track and focus on what actions today will put me closer to reaching that outcome I want to get to. And with setting goals, think big with your goals. In my sales job, I write down every day, I have closed $600,000 in revenue. I have promoted from account executive level 5, which is what I'm at right now, to account executive level 6, the forever wheel, hamster wheel of the corporate rat race here. Also wrote down, I have closed a $100,000 deal, because that's one of my focuses this year. Close bigger deals, increase deal size. I would encourage you right now, if you haven't recently, think about what are your goals, what are your targets, write them down so that you're focused on what actions will get you closer to achieving them, opposed to just focusing on what's going wrong in your life, because it's so easy to get wrapped up on, man, what's going wrong? What's holding me down? If this weren't there, I'd be feeling so good. And I struggle with those things too, guys, but I write down my goals and I stay disciplined, and that helps me wake up every day, show up, and get after it so that I can hit my quota. I want you to hit your quota too. That is a wrap on the day. We have the sunset over there. Alex, any closing remarks?
Come to the office when it's dark out, leave when it's dark out, and you'll feel accomplished.
Wow, that's deep. Signing off, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like now. Comment for the algorithm. Comment the sun emoji in honor of the sunset. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more sales videos, and connect with me on LinkedIn. Bye.